So now we have web dev. Let's see how it goes. Like just to do like a small overview of what they learned, and feel free to interrupt me and if I'm missing something. But they started by learning Ruby as an introductory coding language. Also concepts like OOP, object-oriented programming, the MVC software design pattern. Then they moved to databases, learn how to design schemas, how to work with databases and use SQL. Before moving into the front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And after all of that, using Rails to put everything together and build end-to-end web apps like the ones that you'll see today. And once again, you did like a really amazing progress, and we're really, really proud of you. To present the groups, I have Andrea Pires here, lead teacher, so a round of applause.
Thank you, Nuno. We have amazing projects coming up. So to get started, we're going to have a project that's going to follow up with the pets. So we have one pet presentation in data science, but we're going to have another one in web development. But this one aims to bring pets together. And I'm going to call to the stage Breed Me. It's going to be Gabriel, Inês, and Katia from Portugal.
Hey guys, my name is Gabriel, and this is Inish, and we're both pet-loving people, and I have myself 3 pets, a cat and 2 dogs, and one of the issues that I really suffer is I really want my own batch of puppies, or even if I wanted a kitty litter, I could not find a breeding partner for it. So Inish, my friend here, showed me this amazing web app, Breed Me, and basically you just go in, you add your pet in. I already created that, and so I'll show you my pets that I added. I have King, my pug, Layla, and Celine. I really want to breed King. Because pugs are really cute. Look at their tiny faces, so cute. And I always, I need a pug to breed with him, but I can't find that. So, yeah.
So, as Gabriel said, I'm already a Breed Me user, and I have here my pets, and I want to do 2 changes on my profile. First of all, I have Ruby here, and she already had a batch of puppies last month, so I'll just go ahead and delete her from my account because, you know, being a mother once is already enough. Second of all, what I want to do is that I want to add a pet to my pets because I have a new pug on my family, and her name is Kiki. She's a female. She's a pug, of course. She has a pedigree number that is 1234. How lucky. She's 1 year old, so today is her birthday. Yeah. The fancy description is a hopeless romantic hoping to find love. Street name, she's from, let's just make it general and write down Lisbon. And we can upload the cutest photo of her. Yeah, here she is. So that being done, I want that she's able to give us puppies. So she needs to be, she's not currently on HIT, but I will turn on HIT so that she can, you know, breed puppies. Now what I want to do is that I want to go to the homepage and search for other pugs. So let's see if I'm lucky. Yeah, there's King, and let's check it out. Oh. It seems like a good match for Kiki, so I'll just go ahead and message the owner. I can say, "Hi, Gabriel. I'm interested in King. Can we please talk?" And then let's see if Gabriel answers.
Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've sent a message to Inish. I already replied to her. And I said, "Hi, yes, we can talk. Here's my number." And now that this is done, I can finally get my own batch of little puppies, pug puppies, which I really love. And I'm not finished yet. I still have a cat that I also want to breed. She's a Chardot. She's gorgeous. I love that those like the color of the hair and the eyes, and finding a breed like another cat like her to breed is really hard. So I have to search up if there's any other Chardot on the app. Currently, there are none. So I'll just look for another cat that I think it's cute to maybe a crossbreed, but I'm not sure. So Hook is kind of nice. I'll add him to my favorites. He's kind of looks like Celine, so I'll add him to my favorites. And as you can see, he's on my favorites now. And now I can have my own batch of puppies and kittens. Thank you.
So great job, guys. Great presentation. So I'm going to call up to the stage. It's going to be Tixfix. It's going to be Enrique and Pedro from Portugal, Thierry from France, and Arthur from Germany.
Un, deux. Hello, guys. Not now. A bit shy. It's a respectable audience, you know. It's okay? Yeah. Okay, so Eric, Pedro, Arthur, and I, we like to scratch lottery tickets. So we scratch lottery tickets for a week. For the 2 months of Le-Wagon Bootcamp, and we just scratched a winning one last week. And with all that money, what we decided to do is to acquire our favorite club, which is called Le-Wagon Athletics. But you know, we're kind of new to this football business, so we don't know how to handle all the ticketing for all of our millions of fans who wants to join the games. And we heard of those new kids on the block. It's called Tixfix. One of my friends told me about this. And I heard that they offer a digital ticketing solution with QR codes that it allows to manage several events at once, which is typically what we need. And it simplifies your accounting, you know, where some of our competitors still use pencil and paper. Maybe we can go digital and modernize for the pleasure of our fans. So let's try it together. That's what I heard they do, but I'm not sure. So let's try. So let's create the first game. It's going to be Le-Wagon Athletics versus Benfica. Yeah, the Benfica did. I mean, it was a hard time convincing them because they were a bit scared, you know. And we just hired a new player, Patrick, who just joined the team, and we have an awesome flyer as well, Eric. You put it. Sorry. My bad. 3 hours game. I hope you like to run, Patrick. So we're going to create some categories here. We're probably going to have a VIP category for the wealthy, affluent Lisbon citizens. So probably $100. I don't know. There's going to be not a lot of them. It's very exclusive. 10 We're gonna add a category for the plebs. It's gonna be $15 or something. Yeah, that looks right, and it's gonna be 1,000 of them. And then we're gonna add the discounted category for Le-Wagon students because those guys are cheap. So we'll throw like €5 tickets to them, probably 20 of them, not much more. And here we go. We created our events. It shows right there. Oh my God, that Le-Wagon logo. I really need to promote that designer. It's a very good design. So it just so happens that we have our first customer right here.
All right, thank you. So my name is Pedro, and I'm a match-going fan. And recently, a friend of mine offered me some tickets to attend one of the biggest matches ever. And the first thing I noticed was there was no paper ticket. So that got me curious, and I went to check out this website that I heard from him, TixFix. And I decided I wanted to see the whole experience, what it's like to buy a ticket this easily. So I decided to place an order. So me and my group of friends, we have different tastes. For an event like this, obviously some of us want to sit in the VIP section, you know, get a nice view of the pitch, have some shrimp cocktail, stuff like that. But some of us don't want to spend so much money, so they're going to sit in the pleb section, 2 of them. And finally, one of our friends, he is a student, so he's obviously want to benefit from that student discount. And just like that, in less than 2 minutes, we've placed an order, we receive our tickets, but it's not match time yet, so, you know, we're gonna go home, do a little bit of pre-game with our friends. Yeah, I guess I forgot to tell you my name, right? Pedro Rato. And my email is pedro@pedro.com. Yeah, I have my own email, sorry. And I would not like to share my phone because, you know, privacy reasons, no one wants that. So now that we have our tickets, as I was saying, we still have some time to kill. We're gonna go home, hang out a bit. We're headed to the VIP section, so we have to get ready, put on some nice clothes, some perfume. And once we've done that, we'll finally arrive at the stadium, where all I have to do is walk up to the bouncer, where we'll validate my ticket. Sorry, I forgot my phone at home. I had to go get it real quick. And now the bouncer, who I'm guessing it's probably his first time using TixFix 2, is trying to validate my ticket. And just like that, so now, just like that, we have our tickets validated. We are free to enjoy the match without the hassle of carrying around paper tickets or anything like that. And that's all from us. Thank you.
Great presentation, guys. It actually solves a lot of problems with sports tickets. So coming up next is going to be our last presentation for today. It's going to be iBuddy.find. We're going to call to the stage Antonio, Diana, and David, all from Portugal.
So, hello everyone, at home too. Hi, how are you? So, let me tell you a story. A few weeks ago, I really want to go out in the middle of August to enjoy some drinks and the summer nights. So I started calling to all my friends, and I received the worst answer ever. They are always off cities. They are on holidays. So I have to quit my activities. I have to quit my events. And I bet this happened to all of you. So I start thinking, maybe is there a way to find someone to do something with me or that I can join? So I start searching on the internet, and I quickly found this amazing website called iBuddy.find. So I went to this website and I started watching how to join, and I did my sign up, and then I see some upcoming events and I want to know about all the events. So I went to search for all the events they have. So I went there and started looking for some events that I may join. So I look and start looking, saw this first one, for example, the Ninja Warrior looks very funny, very nice. So I click to check. So it was made by Margarida Torreiro. She's from the wrong side of the Tejo River. That's sad, unfortunately. But that's not really the kind I think I want. I really want a night out with drinks and some fun. So I went back to the hall, and then I choose the night out. I click on the night out, and I check the events. And then one of them caught me my eye. Party at FinTech House. Yeah, let's go. Let's see what they have. So it was made by Fernando, a Brazilian guy. Yeah, looks good, okay. So I will send a message to Fernando. Hi, Fernando. Do you really make the best caipirinhas? And now, in the meantime, I was thinking, well, let's create an event for myself. If Fernando can sell his event, unless I will try to create my own. So I decided to create my event, party at Lisbon. Night out, of course. It's all night long. Date today. I really want to drink today, man. I'm cheap, so 5 years, yeah, it's more than enough. People, I like people, so between 6 and 20, I don't know. Now, location, yeah, let's put Lisbon. A description, just a nice party. And let's create the event. So here I can see my event, and let's see if Fernando already answered. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, nice. Okay, so Fernando answered me. So I will book the reservation. I will go to his party. So I go back to the event. I hope, yeah, of course. And yes, now I will book the event. I will join. And now, guys, I'm going to get my drinks. I'm going to the party, and I will leave the rest with my colleague. Bye.
Thank you. Okay. Now I think we have only one thing left here, which is clearly sometimes you see an event, it looks cool, but you're not sure if you want to go. So you have an option in which you can see reviews from people who already attended. So like you see Fernando, but you don't know if you can trust him. And actually, I already been to this fintech party. So I think Fernando is a really cool guy, and I would really like for more cool people to actually come next time as well. So let's give him a good review. Yeah, so I think we can give him like 5 stars? 4, 3 or 4. It's okay, but it's like, come on, like you gotta like manage expectations, you know? So like, it's cool. A very cool guy. Yeah. So, cool. Yeah. No, Margarita is very cool as well, just the wrong gender. It's fine. Okay, now so we're gonna give a review to Fernando as well. Yeah. Because he has no reviews. You already have a lot of reviews, so you don't need more, you know. So yeah, just say. Yeah. So let's go back.
So guys, as you can see, if you ever feel lonely, just go to ibuddy.find and share moments, share life.
Really well done. Congratulations, and really, really well done. So I think like a final round of applause for batch 683. Congratulations on graduation. So I don't want to hold you too much. I know that you have a party to attend, and Fernando is already expecting you. I just wanted to say thanks to a lot of people that have worked really hard with you and on the back office to try to bring you the best experience possible. So I'll start with a round of applause for Chiara, marketing and events. And also to João Canavarro for bringing you here. And now the teachers, and please join me on stage. I'll start with data science. So we have Emmanuel, Yolanda. You can applaud them. Margarida. Mathieu. Where is it? Onde é que está o Mathieu? I'm the only one. We have the great João Carlin, José Freitas, Monsieur Olivier, already to my left, and also the one and only João Viana. Master Scraper. And now for web dev, obviously André, you can join. Patrick. Ricardo Otero, round of applause. Rita, Tiago, Beatriz, David, Telo, Telo. João Sanches, Margarida. Sara e Vasco. And last but not least, obviously, Mariana, that cannot be here with us today, but is really proud. Yeah. And yeah, I think that's it. If you graduated. And yeah, I hope that you take this experience with you and that you continue learning as you did with us, and you're part of the family now, and you're always welcome back for 3 years and letting us know how your career is going. So really amazing work. We are really, all of us are really, really proud, and congratulations on everything.